Hello and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how we can draw some lines on the image. So I have already an image called test.png and I'm going to draw like maybe red line on the image, or maybe green line on the image, or maybe blue line on the image. So let's try to do that using Python. So open command prompt as usual, and I'm going to type Jupyter notebook. As we discussed before, we need to copy this link if it is not opened automatically and paste it on your favorite browser. Go to new and create new Python application. So I'm going to import cv2 to import Opencv, and I'm going to read the image img cv2 im read the path that is c ai test.png, and I will put like one to read it as colored image. Next, I'm going to display this image. So cv2 dot im show the name of the window, and the second parameter is the image itself. Then cv2 dot wait for a key and 0. Let me execute this and we can read the image and display it. Let me insert a new cell and I'm going to draw now new line to the image. Let me open the image again. So I'm going to draw a blue line on the image starting from the starting point, and it will end in the middle of the image maybe. So the first point that the line will start is 0, 0, and the end point, this is the end point. So I think it's 130 with 100. So I will draw the line exactly like this blue line, and the line in Opencv have two parameters. First parameter is b1 and second parameter is b2. So these two parameters or arguments, b1 and b2, for lines. Okay. img is the output. cv2.line you can click on Shift Tab to see the parameter or argument for any function. So the first parameter is image, second parameter is pt1, second one is pt2. This pt1, pt2 is the points, starting point and end point, the color and thickness of the image. And if you are interested to have special line type, you can also add. First parameter is the image, second parameter is the p1 starting point, and p2 is the end point, and then pgr, and the thickness that is integer. So that's how you can draw a line. The image is the image itself. P1 is the starting point, is 0, 0. P2 130 with 100. PGR, I need to draw blue, so it's 255, 0, and 0. The thickness, I will put it like 5 for now. And let's see what's going on. Let me execute this one, copy paste here, execute again, and that's it. I'm able now to draw blue line starting from 0, 0, and it's end with 130, 100, and it's blue, and the thickness is 5. Let's understand what the meaning of thickness. So let me change this value from 5 to 20 and let me execute this again. So as you notice, the thickness of the line is increased. Let me change this value to B1 or 100. And the thickness is increased more. Let me change the value to 1. And the thickness of the line should be decreased like this. You can change the color. So if I'm going to draw red line instead of blue line, I can change this value, execute again. So let's try to change starting point. Maybe I will start with 100 and 50, and it will end with 200, 100, and I will draw yellow or green, thickness 3. I will execute, and here we go. Thanks for watching and see you next.